Can a single 24GB GPU render cinematic action with synchronized native audio? This is LTX-2.5, generating high-speed chases, tactical firefights, and raw collisions in a single pass. No external sound design needed. Launch the ROM weights and you hit VRAM swap, losing 70% of your speed. Today, we benchmark the exact quantization profiles, memory limits, and the two-stage upscale pipeline on RTX 3090. Here is the test bed: one RTX 3090 with 24 gigs, one ComfyUI graph, identical 5-second targets, and proof runs recorded cold and warm for comparison today. Every timing you see comes from the locked proof pack, not a forum screenshot. That matters because tiny workflow differences can completely flip a local benchmark today. The baseline clip is 121 frames at 1280 by 704. We keep generation conditions fixed, then swap only the model format or memory strategy today. And there is one more rule: no hiding failures. If a path runs out of memory during diffusion or decode, first up, distilled ConvRot. It completes the 5-second clip in 14.8 seconds and peaks at 22.1 GB. Fast enough, but the margin is tiny. That 2 GB gap looks comfortable until the Text-Encoder, previews, VAE, browser, or another node decides it also wants memory at exactly the wrong moment in real production. This is why a benchmark can pass once and still feel fragile in daily use. You are not buying average speed, you are buying repeatable headroom every day. INT8 absolutely works here. But before calling it the winner, we need to see what happened. Standard attention triggers quadratic memory spikes, pushing the RTX 3090 into thermal throttling at 23.9 GB. Sage Attention fixes this by fusing INT8 matrix tensors, eliminating intermediate attention buffers entirely. Peak VRAM flatlines at 18.2 GB, eliminating paging and boosting render speed by 35%. This guarantees rock-solid temporal stability across the entire 240-frame render, keeping every visual detail locked without flickering. Forget generic keywords like cinematic 4K. In ComfyUI, stable video relies on a 4-component formula. We inject the structured prompt directly into the encoder and hit Q prompt for clean execution. At 1.48 /s, the K-sampler blazes through 30 steps in under 20 seconds with zero memory paging. And here is the final 24 frames per second result: razor-sharp drift dynamics and realistic desert dust particle physics. Loading the Gemma 412 billion Text-Encoder immediately claims 14.6 GB of VRAM before diffusion even starts. If left resident alongside the 20 GB transformer, your GPU is forced into catastrophic memory paging, cratering generation speed. By inserting an explicit unload trigger right after conditioning, we flush 14 GB back to the system pool in under half a second. This keeps the full 24 GB available for sampling and high-resolution spatial upscaling without a single dropped frame. The right nodes alone are not enough. Strict execution order ensures the DIT model and VAE never collide in memory. Default caching keeps the Gemma Text-Encoder loaded. An explicit purge hook flushes 14 GB before sampling begins. Chaining the output into VAE decode tiled with 512 tiles caps memory at 6 GB, completely preventing decode crashes. This guarantees rock-solid stability, letting you render long high-definition video without PCIe slowdowns or aborts. High CFG causes texture pulsing. Keep LTX-2.5 guidance strictly between 3 and 4.5. The LTX-V scheduler uses a 0.95 base shift for structure, and 2.05 max shift to prevent distortion. Spatial temporal guidance targets block 29, removing blur and locking frame consistency. This delivers razor-sharp high-speed motion with zero warping, ready for production. LTX-2.5 generates native stereo audio directly inside the model, starting with LTX-V empty latent audio locked to your frame rate. LTX-V concat AV latent binds video and audio latents together, letting the DIT attend sound to motion simultaneously. LTX-V audio VAE decode outputs crisp 48 kHz audio, locked to physical impacts without manual sound design. Watch and listen as the vehicle launches over the cliff. The roaring engine, impact, and wind are synthesized jointly. In ComfyUI, spatiotemporal guidance controls motion. Let's compare scale 0 against 1.2 on the exact same seed. Notice how scale 0 produces much more natural cinematic light, while rendering almost 40% faster. Scale 1.2 adds excessive sparks and artificial sharpness. For natural realism and speed, keep STG at 0 by default. Here is the aesthetic 0 STG render, realistic mass, atmospheric dust, and crisp stereo sound. On an RTX 3090, our two-stage pipeline uses under 20 GB of VRAM, running entirely inside GPU memory. The ComfyUI INT8 ConvRot weights deliver maximum speed while preserving full visual detail in every scene. This two-stage workflow easily adapts to any resolution or aspect ratio, producing high-resolution video with native stereo sound. This makes LTX 2.5 a powerful, highly practical video generation engine for local creator workstations. You can download this complete two-stage ComfyUI workflow and all tested presets directly from the link in the description below. Drop your own render times and favorite prompt formulas in the comments to help fellow creators dial in their local setups. In our next episode, we will benchmark Quant 2.2 and test advanced multi-character narrative consistency on consumer hardware. Hit subscribe to stay ahead of the curve in open source AI video production. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.